What's up, guys? Mike here. Got the Vendetta on the bench, guys. Took it out. I did a little experiment with it with this Castle motor, and it didn't end well. I knew it was going to get warm. I didn't know how warm. The motor is not rated for what I was trying to do with it, but I figured I'd give it a shot anyway. And as you can see, the bullets melted right out of the motor wire. So now these wires have been shortened, and I resoldered them, so it could be a crappy solder job by me, but it had worked on other cars. So anyhow, I've gotten a little better since I soldered those. I'm going to do some work on the stock motor. This one is 3900 kV. Not planning on running it over 3S currently, maybe 4S, but I've ran this motor up on different cars, not this particular motor, but the 3900, even on 6S, and it seemed to handle it, so I'm not worried about that. But what I did is I've unsoldered these. I didn't cut the wire, I just unsoldered it, so that way I can still use their end there and it will still be conductive. So I'm going to try something with it, and we'll know in a later video if it turns out to be a good idea or not. This was not a good idea, so anybody who plans on putting the high kV motor in there and trying that, it is definitely not a good idea with the gear ratio that I had put in it. So anyhow, I'm going to attach the run to it. You'll see what it does. But back to the drawing board, guys, on this car, and we're going to see if we can make some changes to get it 100 plus on 3S. We're real close. I've gotten it to 97 so far, and I believe 112 on 4S. So this is in a video list, so if you want to go back and see kind of how the build goes, you can certainly do that. I'll put a link to it up here in the picture there. But anyhow, guys, before I go, make sure you check the links down below. I do have some stuff going on eBay channel that or eBay store that pull off stuff. I'll have the ESC that came out of this car that I haven't used, and I also think I have one out of my Big Rock that I haven't used that I'm going to have on there. So just check it out. Something you need on there, certainly worth it to put them out there for a fair price, guys. So check it out. Anyhow, to the run we go. Y'all have a great day. What's up, guys? Got the Arrma Vendetta back out again. We've made some changes to the kV on the motor. Could be awesome, could be not so awesome. Not the ideal motor that I wanted to put in it. I have one on order with the kV that I think I want to put on it that'll run 3 and 4S, but we're going to run it on this one just to see what it does, and hopefully it's not a smoke show, guys, but we'll see. Get it turned on. Picking up on the car. Problem is my brakes aren't going to be great, guys, so see what she does. Nope, she cut. Had to drive it off the road, guys. That was way too much. Let's go get it. So it cut at 63 miles an hour. Thought it'd get a little faster than that, but I figured that it would get hot. Melted one of the wire bullets right off. That's what it was. One of them melted, two of them. It got so hot, guys. So could have just been a crappy soldering job by the guy who put them on there too. Me. But it's a fail either way, so back to the drawing board with that one, and we'll try to figure it out, guys, and get it back out here. But fail for the day.